5 both thumbs.
You think we're strong enough?
We have to be.
I have to tell you guys something before we go in there.
Eddie?
I've been lying.
About what?
When I said that I was seeing someone, well, I'm not.